बरे भशेन सगळ्या शुभ प्रोग्रामाचो काबार जाता सगळ्यांनी शिगम्यात हो लाभ घेयात तर म्हाका तसं जलेश्वर महाराज की जय जलेश्वर महाराज की जय.
इतले मजगती वेर्ला काजीनी खासा कलर फेस्टिवल जालो.
And this is the first time I'm actually traveling up to Bardez to celebrate Holi. And I must say, if you're out there, you need to be here at Kajni. This is a fantastic venue. It has over 2,000 seating area. You can park over 1,000 cars. And what better way than to celebrate Holi with your friends and your family. There's a special area for children as well that has been put up by Decathlon. And this venue is absolutely insane. Fantastic venue, Kajni here in Verla, Kanka and Mapsa. Once again, wishing all of you a very, very happy Holi. Thank you.
Bureau report, Prudent.